Hi, I'm Jenny and I live in Dorset. Last week I started the Ramblin Rose crochet along and it's a shawl. I finished part 1. Yee! So I took it because we went to pictures and I thought I'd do something whilst I was there. Take the hook off. And yeah, there's the shawl. First part completed. It's going to be really nice and big once done. They've just released the third part yesterday and the second part is the roses, which I still haven't started. I've watched the video about 2 times, so I might start on those, but yeah, I enjoyed doing that one. Me cardigan, I've got the arms sewn on and I've done the border. I've got to do the single crochets, which is our double crochet, all the way around the edge. I've got to do that 3 rows. So that might be doing whilst watching something on Netflix, if I got it round the right way up. No, I haven't. So still got to do all the ends. But there's me. Then the arms. The arms were a bit baggy. I wish I went down a hook size on the arms. If I do it again, I will go down a hook size, so it is quite baggy on the arms a bit. But there's a cardie. There's that. Arms tight there. I tried to use the same colours on that bit, so they matched that bit on the stripy bit. The squares are different. And there's the back, which I've shown before. And that, so yeah, that bit's done. I've just got, as I said, I've got to go around the edge 3 times with a single crochet or double crochet in the UK. I did start something new last night. Gotta sneeze. I'm using, I got it with me, ice yarns, magic light, using that one. Still gotta sneeze. It's gonna come. Gonna sneeze. Ooh, excuse me. What's the betting? Once I've sneezed, I'll be sneezing like non-stop. Normally the way. Right. It's the Secret Yarnery Cake and Candle shawl. It's really pretty. I'm really enjoying doing this one. And that's so it's yeah, thoroughly enjoying that. I started that last night and got it out this morning. And yesterday I went to pool with mum and dad and went into Wilko. Yeah, yarn happened. I got that one, which is a Lauren ombre yarn. And yeah, it's really nice. That'd be going in the ripple blanket that I was telling you on the last one, which has got black on every other row. Multicoloured yarn. I think I've got a cold coming. And variegated yarn in between. So that's in the corner of doom. So I had a warehouse order. Ordered it yesterday and it's here today. Yeah, nice and quick. So I got pomegranate. If I say the name wrong. They're all Stylecraft double knit. Pomegranate. And boysenberry. Again, Stylecraft. And this one is plum. This one's petrol. And this one is turquoise. Some people might recognise the colours. See Shan on Shan's Crafty Corner does a lot for woolly hugs, and everyone that's on Jan's chat will know what's going on. And yeah, I want to give back, so I'm on emailed woolly hugs and asked if I could do any squares and send them to squares, and they send send me a list of things that I need to do. So I'm going to do a couple of squares for them and send them off. So yeah, I'm going to do that. And yeah, pretty colours. Really like that. So I'll have some fun with that when I start doing them. Is that everything? I think that's everything. So yeah, so I'm going to do this one. I haven't done any on the Granny Virus blanket. Definitely a cold coming. So yeah, I'm going to do the Virus Granny blanket. I think I might take that into Mum's tomorrow because we're going into Mum and Dad's. I did do on the Granny rectangle yesterday. Not a lot because I was in pool day with Mum and Dad yesterday. Yeah, we had a nice meal in Wetherspoons. I enjoyed that. Curry club day. Yum. Yeah. Lots of walking all the way down to Pool Quay and then all the way back up to the, walked over to Asda. So, yeah, I was knackered yesterday. That's why I didn't do a video yesterday, just as well, because Jan Hall, So, yeah, Jean-Luc's home today. He's upstairs being quiet. He's on his computer. Kira's at college. And yeah, he's starting to get noisy, so that's my cue to leave. I can hear him. So yeah, I'm going to have another sneezing session in a minute, but I thought I'd show off that one. Hopefully that'll be finished soon. And show off the Granny Rectangle. Ramblin Rose crocheting on. So yeah, I'm going to go because I can hear noises. Thanks, bye. See you on the next one.